Hi, this is Daniel with Texas Barndominiums, and today we are at Trail Riders out here in Floresville, Texas. As you can see, I am alone. You know, sometimes building barndos takes more time than there is in a week, and so Eric wasn't able to be here. He's, you know, making sure things happen and get done and are, you know, just getting done. We've had a crazy week this week. We got barndos that we're getting complete. We got homeowners moving in. We have barndos that we're starting. We have just so much going on. On top of all that, you know, add in trying to put out 4 videos a week, doing the Friday feast, just getting a lot of things done. So here I am, Trail Riders right here in Floresville, Texas. So good country food, just home cooking. I got an 8-ounce top sirloin. I love top sirloin. Eric prefers a ribeye, and we've had this discussion before, but he's not here, so I'm gonna enjoy it without any comments. So I got my size is a fully loaded baked potato, and it looks amazing. I got okra. I love okra, fried okra, and I'm even gonna eat the bread, even though I'm not supposed to. So first thing first, actually, let's get into this baked potato. You know, I wanna, because it just looks good. I mean, they went fully loaded. Has bacon, chives, cheese, butter, sour cream. Come on now, let's get a good bite in here. Okay, not dry. You know, baked potatoes, sometimes you can get those hard spots in there because it wasn't fully done. Really good and tender. A good creaminess to it. Really good baked potato. Fried okra. I mean, I'm gonna use my fingers. I do love me some fried okra. I'm not gonna lie. Fried okra is just amazing. You'll notice a lot of times we do these things, we don't need dessert. Some of it's because we're just full from the food, but I have a feeling, I know how I am, but I have a feeling that Eric's the same way. We are savory. Like, I like sweet, but I'm a savory guy. When I'm eating food, I want savory. I want to taste the flavor. You know, where sweets can sometimes get overpowered with just the sugar. One of my favorite desserts, though, is creme brulee. I like that vanilla. Anyways, so I got it medium rare. That is a good medium rare. Really good. Oh, that is so tender. Not overly seasoned, just done right. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. You could taste that in there. I'm pretty sure they got a little bit of clarified butter on that. So it's really rendered down. It's not firm, like on the inside. It's a little firmer on the outside, which is good. I like that. But it is nice and medium rare on the inside. It cuts easy. So tender, just juicy, very buttery. That is a good sirloin. It's a very good sirloin. So I feel kind of weird because not much to talk about without Eric here. You know, we're usually cutting up and just having a good old time. And, well, I should say, he's usually making fun of me about something. But, you know, I miss that. It's good times. The food is amazing. This top sirloin cooks really well. Very excited about it. So, like I said, I'm out here at Trail Riders in Floresville, Texas. Cool little place. It's got a cool atmosphere. You can definitely tell they support the local community. A lot of decorations on the wall of the local school out here. So, you know, a restaurant that supports the local community, I think that we could do our part and support them. So yeah, just get out here and enjoy yourself. So until next time, I'm Daniel, and we are Texas Barndominiums.